Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We're going to go over one of the features in the truck that some people like, some people hate. You might use it, you might not. And what that is right up here, the top left-hand corner. I've got it turned on. It's the lane assist. So in this truck, basically, if this is turned on and you're driving, right now we're in a parking lot, but say you're driving and these are lines on the road. If you go straying a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, it's just a safety feature. It picks up that you're going out of your lane and it'll vibrate the wheel. So when you're driving, you're supposed to have your hands 10 and 2 or wherever you drive, it vibrates it. So to turn this on, if you go in the settings here, back and forth, go over to the actual settings, and driver assistance is what you're looking for. And then you can see you can turn on and off the lane assist, blind spot, and emergency braking. So if you come up here, lane, you can see right now I got it on. You just push the OK, or enter, which is right above your controls here. That'll turn it off, and you can see now top left hand corner, the little logo is gone. You push it again, she pops back on. The same goes for the other ones. So if we go back here now, blind spot, same thing, turn it off. Now you can see the other one is gone. And then your automatic braking as well. Front, rear, basically if you're coming up on something too hard, it will slam on the brakes. A lot of the guys, if you're towing something, turn off the rear brake, just because when you're backing up to your trailer, the truck is going to try to slam on the brakes. So you can just turn that off and you don't have to worry about it hitting the brakes. It'll beep at you and send a bunch of warnings and like you're going to crash, but it won't actually hit the brakes. I leave that on unless I'm towing something. It's super simple to turn off. But again, this is where you hit all those settings. And now if you go back to the initial one, which is right here, you can see driving aids is one of the sections under there as well. Forward, blind spot, and lane are all lit up and they have the little speaker logo. So that's telling you that they are on and will work when you're driving around. So that's how to turn it on and off. We're gonna go for a quick little drive on the road and I will show you exactly what it does, and hopefully you can pick up the sound of the vibration in the wheel. All right, so cruising down the road, what I forgot to mention at the beginning is if you actually have your turn signal on, it obviously cancels out the safety thing. But say we're swerving to the side of the road, you can see it starts flashing. You get the orange line on the one side, and it tells you that that's the side you're swerving towards. So again, if we go over, gives you your warning. So simple as that. I don't know if the video picked up the vibration in the steering wheel, but basically what it feels like, and I don't know if everywhere has this, but around here on our highways, we have like little rumble strips on the side of the roads, and it's basically the same feeling as that. When your tire hits it and the vibration starts, you get that same sensation, but it's in your hands in the steering wheel. So there you have it. Super simple, super easy to use, and as you can see in the video, it does work. And then again, if you want to turn it off, just go back to the settings, driver assistant, lane. We turn it to off, the little logo is gone. Now if you go back to the truck setting there, driving aids, now you can see lane is off. You can do the same for the sensors and the blind spot like I showed in this video as well. But if you're looking for the lane assist, that's exactly how she worked. So hopefully you like the video, like and subscribe. Let me know if you use it, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.